Here's how to diagnose some machine issues with your early soundboard. When you first power it up, there's a little LED in the corner of this red board that will flash 3 times. If it flashes 3 times, that means the board booted correctly and it's recognizing the sounds on the microSD card. If it flashes 8 times, it's not booting up correctly and you've probably got a problem with your microSD card. Get another high quality one and copy the files over. After the 3 flashes, you'll see the solenoid and or the sound light come on briefly. A second later, the sound light will come on along with the LED on the red board and you'll hear the power up sound. After that, the soundboard will be quiet and you'll see a light flashing periodically on the red board. If you weren't getting any sounds, check your speaker. That's the most common issue. Another thing to check is the voltages in the corner of the board. The first one is a 5 volts. You'll have that if the board booted correctly. The second one on this board is 39 volts with respect to this ground down here. That's for the amplifier. The third voltage is your solenoid voltage coming in. Let's power it up. There's your flashes. There's momentary light. That was the power up sound, and you can see as the power up sound was running, the light down here was on constantly. Now it's just flashing every once in a while. If we start a game, you can see the lights on permanently now, and you got sound.